Chevrolet revealed the 2000 Suburban and GMC introduced the redesigned Yukon at the New York Auto Show, both versions akin to the upcoming production models. The Suburban, building on Silverado's award-winning design, merges Chevy's truck heritage with a contemporary look, while the Yukon inherits styling cues from the Sierra. General Motors President Rick Wagoner emphasized the Suburban's enduring popularity and family memories spanning over 6 decades. The Suburban's enhancements focus on structural improvements, with a 25% increase in welds, doubled body section stiffness, and a fully boxed frame to reduce vibrations. Interior upgrades encompass expanded seating space, a new cargo feature, and notable technological inclusions like dual-zone climate control and advanced audio systems. Mechanically, it boasts independent front suspension, traction systems for varied terrains, and towing enhancements. The 1500 series Suburban features a 270-horsepower V8 engine, emphasizing its towing capabilities. Trailer towing advancements include premium suspension options, real-time damping, and technology borrowed from the Silverado, enhancing towing performance. Size-wise, it measures 219.3 inches long, 78.8 inches wide, and 75.4 inches high, offering a robust yet slightly smaller alternative compared to the Ford Excursion.